After the membrane switch works for a long time, graphic overlay will often be corroded, which may easily lead to problems such as button failure or short circuit. That's why anti-corrosion membrane switches have become popular on electronic equipment. You don't want the potential for corrosion to cause problems. So how can membrane switches prevent corrosion? Let's talk about it. First, choose right material. Materials with high wear resistance, high toughness, and good temperature resistance are good. PET is a good one. These materials can maintain stable performance over a wide temperature range. They are not prone to becoming brittle or softening, which can effectively improve the durability and corrosion resistance in different environments. Second, add insulating layer. Add an insulating layer on the conductive layer. It provides insulation and protection. JRPanel does this by silkscreen printing to ensure uniform coverage. Third, add protective film. This can also effectively protect the membrane switch from corrosion. Last, good maintenance and storage of finished products. It's important, to make sure there are no strong acids, alkalis, or other corrosive things in the storage environment. Membrane switches should be inspected regularly to find potential corrosion in time. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.